The last wizard that we are going to talk about is Navigative PDF Viewer. Let's take it first, Navigative PDF Viewer. What Navigative does, it makes the whole process dynamic. If you use the Navigative PDF Viewer add-on, sidebar will be there where the links of PDF Viewer will be shown. But if you use the regular PDF viewers, you have to create a PDF viewer with a PDF file first, and then you can embed or show this file or PDF viewer. But if you use Navigative, you can put the PDF file URL and that will generate a PDF viewer in the same page. So there will be no separate pages for PDF viewers or no separate posts for PDF viewers. All of PDF viewers will be generated from the same page dynamically if you use this add-on. To use this add-on, you need to get it from CodeCanon. This add-on is also created by Theme and Code. Get this add-on from Theme and Code and use it on your WordPress website. Just put the PDF file URL here. Where to get this? Just go to your media file, media, and then library. Select the PDF you want to show. Let's select CV and copy that URL and now paste it here. You can change or put the width, height, title, jump to page, every other settings, and click on Save Changes. So it has generated the PDF viewer from a PDF right from the builder, so that you don't need to create a PDF viewer first. You can use just the PDF file link. And it doesn't matter how many PDF files you have, it will create all of them from the same page dynamically. There's no need of creating separate PDF viewers. This is a brilliant feature to have, and this is one of the must-use plugins if you're using a lot of PDFs on your website. Thank you.